Hello everyone! For this video demonstration, I will be showing how to use Microsoft Office 365 and some of its basic applications. Microsoft Office 365 is a collection of tools that can help students, teachers, and professionals with documents, presentations, communication, and file storage. First, I opened Office 365 through office.com on Google Chrome and logged in using a Microsoft account. Here on the home page, we can see different applications such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneDrive, and etc. Let's start with Microsoft Word. I clicked Word and selected a blank document. Microsoft Word is mainly used for creating documents such as reports, essays, assignments, and other written activities that we commonly use in school or work. In this example, I typed the title and adjusted the font style and size to make it more presentable. We can also format the text by making it bold, italic, or underlined depending on how we want our document to look. Aside from text, we can also insert pictures, tables, shapes, and other elements to improve and organize our content. One of the best features of Microsoft Word under Office 365 is its autosave function. This means our work is automatically saved in real time, so we don't have to worry about losing our file even if the application suddenly closes or the device shuts down. Next is Microsoft Excel. Excel is used for organizing data, creating tables, managing information, and performing calculations automatically. It is very helpful for students, teachers, and even businesses because it makes working with numbers easier and more organized. For this demonstration, I created a simple table containing names and scores. I typed the name in one column and the corresponding scores in another column. After entering the data, I highlighted the cells to make the table look cleaner and easier to read. Instead of solving manually, Excel quickly computes the results for us. This saves time and reduces possible errors in computation. Now, let's proceed to Microsoft PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a presentation software used for creating slideshows and presenting information in a more organized and creative way. First, I opened a blank presentation and added a title on the first slide. Then, I inserted another slide and placed an image to make the presentation more interesting and visually appealing. We can also change the themes, layouts, and designs to improve the overall appearance of the slides and make them more attractive to the audience. In addition, PowerPoint allows us to add animations and transitions to make the presentation more engaging. Lastly, I use slideshow mode to preview the presentation and see how it will appear during an actual discussion or report. Next is OneDrive. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage where files can be uploaded, saved, and organized online instead of being stored only on a single device. I uploaded a sample file here to demonstrate how it works. Once a file is uploaded, it is securely stored in the cloud, which means you don't have to worry about losing it even if your device breaks or gets lost. This is very useful because we can access our files anytime and from different devices such as laptops, tablets, or mobile phones as long as we are signed into our account and have an internet connection. OneDrive also allows us to share files with other people easily. We can send a link so others can view or edit the file depending on the permission we set. This makes collaboration more convenient, especially for school activities and group work. Lastly is Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is a platform used for online meetings, virtual classes, chats, and collaboration. It allows teachers, students, and groups to communicate in real time through chat messages, voice calls, and video conferencing. One of its main features is online class meetings, where teachers can conduct lessons even if students are not physically present in school. During these sessions, teachers can present lessons, share their screen, and discuss topics just like in a face-to-face classroom. Microsoft Teams also has a chat feature where students and teachers can send messages, ask questions, and give updates quickly. Files such as assignments, presentations, and notes can be also shared easily within the platform. In addition, it supports group collaboration where students can work together on projects, share ideas, and complete tasks in an organized way. That concludes my demonstration of Microsoft Office 365. I hope you learned something useful about its different tools and features. Thank you for watching.